Hello guys, welcome to our next section of polynomials, which is adding and subtracting polynomials. So here we're going to be dealing with two different types of polynomials. We're going to add them and subtract them. Pretty easy. Now we know from the previous lesson that one polynomial, you can let it be px. Because we can't name the next polynomial the same letter px, we're going to use qx, just for the sake of a different letter. So, px plus qx, we're going to write it underneath here. So, we're going to write that px is x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. Notice that I have brackets around it just for practice purposes. My plus here is going to go there, and then my qx, we're going to do a different color, so 3x squared minus 5x plus 7. Now, I really strongly encourage you to cross off your terms as you are adding them. And I like to usually go from the highest power down to the lowest power, just so you know that you're tackling every single term. So looking across the whole board here, we know the highest power is the cubed. So let's get that down. X cubed, done. We know that the next highest power is squared. So 3x squared plus 3x squared is positive 6x squared. That's done. Next one, that's to the power of 1. So x minus 2x minus 5x is minus 7x. Cross them off, you're done. Next one, minus 5 plus 7 is positive 2. And that is how you add polynomials. The next one, subtracting polynomials is where careless mistakes usually happen in this case. So please have your brackets in here. Let's write it down. Your px is x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. Your negative sign, and then your qx, which is 3x squared minus 5x plus 7. Please remember your brackets. Now, because there's a negative, we have to do expansion, okay? So let's rewrite that on the next line. X cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. Then we have a negative times 3x squared, which is negative 3x squared. We have a negative times negative 5, which is a positive 5x. And we have a negative times positive 7, which is negative 7. Now, just like before, make sure you're crossing off your like terms and make sure you're going from the highest power just so that it's easier to read. We know looking across this whole board here, your highest power is 3. So x to the power of 3 is crossed off. Next one, positive 3x squared minus 3x squared gives you nothing. So cross that off. Minus 2x plus 5x is positive 3x. Cross that off. And minus 5 minus 7 equals to minus 12. And that is how you subtract polynomials. Thank you guys.